Hi, I'm Dr. George Ho of Vancouver. This movie shows you a step-by-step method to build a solid, good foundation for Tai Chi as well as for any other Qigong and meditation practices. This easy-to-learn program will help you tremendously if you want to excel on your own in Tai Chi as a form of integrated mind-body training, which is one of my articles that I published myself. This black and white picture shows you the famous Tai Chi master, Master Huai-jin. He was demonstrating two of the 8 basic forms of Tai Chi power, the Peng form and the Chài form of Tai Chi power. From my 40 years of experiences of doing Tai Chi and meditation, if you can perform these two movements with a newly acquired Tai Chi postural reflex, which I have coined it as the craniosacral postural reflex of Tai Chi. For further detail, please read this Amazon Kindle book, Acquiring the Craniosacral Postural Reflex with Meditation and Tai Chi for Longevity and Enlightenment. In this picture, I'm showing you the most important pose of Tai Chi, the beginning pose of Tai Chi. Master Yang, who was the first one who wrote the first self-learning Tai Chi book, I have transcribed his vague instruction into a modernized concept of posture with 2 distinctive signs that you can feel yourself. The first one is the head as light as if it was floating in the air, and the second one is that the abdominal part below the umbilicus stick towards the spine. I have another 10-minute movie on YouTube describing in detail how to do the first beginning pose of Tai Chi. I compare the learning of Tai Chi or any form of Qigong to the learning of how to ride a bicycle. You have to learn a new set of neural reflexes. If you just copy the slow Tai Chi movement without practicing them with a new set of reflexes that exemplified by the 8th form of Tai Chi movement, you do not get the benefit of this kind of integrated mind-body training. Cultivating the 8th form of Tai Chi movement with the breathing of the dantian is traditionally called gong. The 3 pictures here show you the dantian training secret reviewed by the old Cantonese operas singing people. The top picture shows you how to tie an elastic belt around the dantian area and use a springy stick like a bamboo stick to point at the dantian, and then you tighten the belt and you sing with the belt tightened. Traditionally, the singer who sings the male singing role will have to practice with Dao Fu for 15 minutes at each practice session. For the female singing role, they have to practice Chu 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 again for 15 minutes for each session. Since very few people learn how to sing Cantonese, for further detail of the dantian, read this Kindle book on Amazon. All my Kindle books have a supplementary YouTube video, and these videos have been posted on my YouTube playlist called George Ho's Amazon Publications, and on the Facebook page too, also called George Ho's Amazon Publications. For those who don't want to sing, I have replaced the singing practice with the 6 healing sounds, the Ho, Si, Fu, Hei, Hui, Chui. I have a movie on this on YouTube too. Ho, Si, Fu, Hei, Hui, Chui. The upcoming movie will show you how to practice the Peng and the Chài form of power as a form of integrated mind-body training. If you practice it like many people who swing their hand, then you're missing the whole point. You have to practice with the whole body and the dantian. The upward movement of the arm is the practice of the peng form of tàijí power. You have to use the dantian to swing the arm up. The downward movement is the Chai form of tàijí power. You have to use the dantian and the whole body to kind of jerk the arms downward. The advanced form uses the tennis serve to add weight training to this excel on your own style practice. This is the mixture of the Peng, the Ji, and the Chai form of tàijí power. This is also a very good Fa-Jing practice that you can excel on your own. And then it's the throw dantian, which you just keep in mind, and only after you have mastered all the techniques shown in this movie, then you worry about the throw dantian. If you want to explore the throw dantian, read this fundamental training on the Amazon Kindle book. Professor Lin Chen-Ching's 8 Steps of Differential Voice Training. Hi, I'm Dr. George Ho. This concludes the movie. And if you like this movie, please click like and please share it with your friends in other media like Facebook. And it would really motivate me to make more movies like this if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Dr. George. Subscription is totally free.